Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a super simple HTML website and run it inside a Docker container. Plus we will push it to Docker Hub so that anyone can access it from anywhere. If you are new to Docker, don't worry. I will walk you through everything step by step. So let's get started. Okay, so step 1 is to install Docker. We need to install Docker. If you already have Docker installed, you can skip this step. For Windows and Mac users, we need to install Docker from docker.com. Once you go into docker.com, you can see a download button, a blue color download Docker desktop. Just hover over that and you will see multiple options of downloading. The first one would be for download for Mac, another for download for Mac, but for Intel chip. There are two download for Windows and one for Linux. Right now I'm working with I'm working with Windows OS, so I will select download for Windows AMD 64. It will start downloading. When it's completed, we will see the next step. Now let us verify as Docker installed properly. We will open the command prompt. We will write this command docker hyphen hyphen version, the name of the version type, and build with something ID. That's the installation of Docker. Okay, this command was for the users of Windows and Mac. For the Linux users, I will put the commands in the description below. Okay, so before we move forward to step 2, let's just make one thing sure that we have our Docker Hub logged in. So if you don't have a Docker Hub account, let's make it. Go on your web browser, just type Docker Hub. Yeah, this is the first link which we need to click. Once you will click on this link, mine is already open, logged in. So just for your information, you will see a sign in page. You can see a sign in part or sign up part. If you have already an account, you can sign in or you can sign up. Just sign up with your IDs and just put up your password or Google account directly, and the thing is done. You have your own Docker Hub account right now. Okay, so let's start with step 2. Right now we have done two things. We have installed Docker properly, we checked its version, and second, we have made a Docker Hub account. So next thing is to create a project directory. Okay, so open your command prompts, just type mkdir, that is make directory, and any of the name. You can take any name. Right now I have used html-docker-app, and then we need to just go into that directory to the command cd html-docker-app. Okay, so now as the directory has been created, let's move forward to create the HTML website. Let's create a simple HTML file that our container will serve. So we will run a command using echo, or you can also first make a file and then paste the code inside that, the HTML code. So I will do the second way. We will make a file that is through notepad, and I will name the file as the notepad is open. You can see I will just type in the code and we will see, and we will just save it. Okay, so moving towards the next step, we need to create a Docker file that is the package of this website. So we will name a file as Docker file in the same folder, that is, and we will just open a text editor and add these commands in that text editor. So what does this Docker file means? It means our container will run a lightweight web server, that is nginx, in the commands and serve our index.html file. Now as both the files have been created, let's build our Docker image. We will run the following command, that is docker space build space -t, then again a space, and our name of the file, that is html-docker-app space and a full stop. That is, it will combine the whole thing together. Okay, so let's move forward to the next step, that is to run the Docker container. We will start our website inside a Docker container. So for that we will have to write this command, that is docker run hyphen d hyphen p 8080 colon 80 hyphen name my html site html docker app. My html site is the name and the html docker app is the main part. So we will just write this command and wait for the output. This runs our container in detached mode, maps port 8080 on our computer to port 80 in the container and names it my HTML site. Now open your browser and go to http colon hyphen hyphen localhost colon 8080 and there it is, a simple HTML website running inside Docker. Now let's upload our image to Docker Hub so anyone can use it. Log into Docker Hub using Docker login, tag the image, push the image. Now our image is live on Docker Hub. To find it, go to hub.docker.com and search for your repository and your file. For your image file container to run on any other machine, let us first pull your image file, that is through the command docker space pull space your name, that is mine is Jayodasi backslash html hyphen docker hyphen app. This will pull your container, it will pull the latest, and then we will run the command to start your website run docker space run space hyphen d space hyphen p 8080 colon 80 space Jayodasi backslash html hyphen docker hyphen app. Open the browser and let's visit the localhost 8080. Success! Our website is running from Docker Hub right now. Okay, thank you so much people for watching this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding!